Welcome back to 3D comparison. This will be regarding CATIA V5, how to reset the user interface. So for example, we see over here I have dynamic sectioning added over here. By default, that will be located over here on the bottom. So let's go ahead within Tools, Customize, and here we can reset the toolbars. So I'm going to go over here within Toolbars. With the standard selected, I can select over here Restore Position. And we're going to see that this will restore the position of all toolbars. If I'm going to click OK, we all going to have those features nested. So I can just go ahead and I can drag some of those. Keep in mind that you can hold down Shift and that will change the alignment over here. For example, I like to have them like this because the group will be readable. So we see over here dress up features, transformation. I will also move this one. And this will be the same over here on the bottom. So as you can see over here, so I have the one over here for draft analysis. I'm just going to move them over here. And we're going to have dynamic sectioning appear over here. Keep in mind that you can move features until you no longer have any visible over here vertically or over here horizontally. And that means that all the toolbars that are by default available within that workbench will be listed over here. And you can do the same over here within all workbenches. For example, if I'm going to double click on this, this will now take me to assembly design. As you can see over here, they are set as following. So this hasn't been restarted. This is how they are currently added. And I can go ahead and I can reposition those to make sure that all the features within this workbench will be visible. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. You're going to find more CATIA V5 tips and tricks within the playlist over here on the left side. And you're also going to find a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.